We've been looking at ways to edit your workbooks. Sometimes you actually need to change more than one sheet. Maybe you left off your headers. Maybe you need to change the formatting on multiple sheets or even add data. Instead of having to do them one at a time, you can actually use a feature called group mode.
Sounds like a great time saver.
Let's take a look. We're in our Q3 revenue workbook, and you notice that we have 4 sheets across the bottom. We have October revenue. Go ahead and click on November. It's in the exact same structure and format, just different data. And then we have December revenue. Totals is set up differently, but we do have that sheet. So as you look at this worksheet, you'll notice that we have sales data in column C. It's there on all 3 worksheets, but it's not formatted. It really needs to be in currency format. I know you know how to go in and select the column and turn it currency, but we have 3 sheets. That could take a while.
Can you imagine if we had all 12 months of the year?
What we're going to do is we're actually going to do them all at the same time. Now you have to be careful. They need to be structured the same for this to work. Let's try it. We're going to select all 3 sheets. You have December selected. You can use either your Shift or your Control, just like you would with cells. Using your Control key is going to let you get individual sheets. If you use your Shift key, we just do the first and the last, just like selecting cells. So why don't you hold down Shift and we'll click on October. Now how would you know that you're in group mode?
Well, all 3 sheets are white.
Exactly. You will notice that the text on December is in green because you can only look at one sheet at a time. That's the one we're looking at. But all 3 are selected. If you look at your title bar, you'll also notice the word group up there. Now, you might not have noticed that if I hadn't mentioned it. It's a little hidden. It's not that obvious, but that does tell us we're in group mode. Now, everything you do when you're in group mode, you are doing on all the sheets. So here we go. I want you to click in C3 and select down to the bottom of the column. And then we'll just go up to the number group where it says General, and we'll choose Currency. And you can actually double check this by clicking on October. Those are in Currency if you go to November, and then December.
Perfect. Now that I've fixed them all to currency format, do I have to get out of group mode?
I would recommend it. Otherwise, everything you do is going to be happening on all the sheets. The easiest way to get out of group mode is if there's a sheet that's not part of the group, click on it. In this example, it's going to be total. So just go click on the total sheet, and that'll take you out of group mode.